amazing golf tips and tricks that the pros recommend. Golf is a leisurely sport that has great benefits to your health. If you do not have time to play an entire 18 holes, you can just play 9. If you don't have anyone to golf with, you can always hit the driving range and fine-tune your driving skills. This video will give you some tips for making the most out of your next trip to the golf course. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure that you are relaxed. This is important because tension of the mind will lead to a more rigid body, which in turn leads to a less fluid golf swing. Learn to relax yourself before each hit. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to never let yourself lose your golf form. This is important because if you do not practice the sport on a regular basis, it can be easy to lose the muscle memory associated with a proper swing and therefore lose your golfing ability. Stay on top of it if you care about your performance. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to read up on all of the rules and regulations before going on the course. This will help to prevent possible embarrassment and uncomfortable situations that might arise otherwise. There is plenty of information online or in books to assist you. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure to always try to find the reason why things go wrong if you have a bad day or bad shot. It is common to blame outside factors for your shortcomings, but you will not become a better golfer unless you can narrow down how to improve. As noted, golf is a leisurely sport that has great benefits to your health. There are many ways to play golf, whether you're flying solo or with a group of people, it can be equally as fun. Hopefully this video has given you some great tips to make the most out of your next trip to the golf course. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.